Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. Today, we journey into one of America's most underrated natural wonders, the Finger Lakes of New York State. This vast region of deep blue waters, rolling hills, cascading waterfalls, and charming small towns is more than just a destination. It's a story written by time itself. Stretching across the heart of upstate New York, the Finger Lakes are a geological marvel formed thousands of years ago during the last ice age. When enormous glaciers advanced over this land and later began to retreat, they carved deep, narrow valleys into the earth. As the glaciers melted, water filled these valleys, forming the 11 long, slender lakes that now stretch like the graceful fingers of a giant hand across the landscape. Each lake carries its own character and beauty, from Seneca Lake, the deepest, to Cayuga Lake, the longest. Together, they form a masterpiece of nature's slow but powerful artistry. Flying high above these waters, the view is breathtaking. The valleys curve gently, flanked by lush forests and farmlands that change color with the seasons. In spring, the landscape awakens with bright greens and blossoms. In summer, sunlight dances on the rippling waters. Autumn turns the region into a glowing canvas of gold and red, and winter brings a peaceful stillness, when snow blankets the hills and frozen waterfalls glisten like crystal. The Finger Lakes are alive in every season, constantly shaped and renewed by the forces of nature. One of the most famous natural landmarks in the region is Watkins Glen State Park, a place where water and time have sculpted a world of wonder. Over thousands of years, Glen Creek has carved a 2-mile gorge through layers of shale, sandstone, and limestone. 19 waterfalls cascade through the narrow passage, their mist filling the air as the sun glows through the leaves above. Walking the stone paths, you pass behind waterfalls, across arched bridges, and through tunnels worn smooth by countless years of flowing water. Each step is a walk through geological history, revealing the patient power of erosion and the artistry of nature's design. Beyond its geological wonders, the Finger Lakes region thrives with life. Its lakes, forests, and wetlands form a rich ecosystem that supports countless species. White-tailed deer roam through the woods, herons and loons glide across the lakes, and bald eagles soar overhead. Beneath the surface, the clear waters provide a haven for lake trout, bass, and salmon. These ecosystems depend on the delicate balance of clean water, healthy forests, and sustainable human activity, a balance that residents and visitors alike strive to protect. The Finger Lakes are also known as the heart of New York's wine country. Thanks to the lake's moderating effect on temperature, the surrounding hillsides create a unique microclimate perfect for vineyards. The deep, cool waters absorb heat during summer and release it in winter, preventing frost and extending the growing season. This natural harmony has given rise to more than 100 wineries, celebrated especially for their Rieslings. As you sip a glass overlooking the shimmering water, you taste not just the grapes, but the story of the land, the climate, and the centuries of geological transformation that made this soil so rich. Beyond wine, the region's towns offer warmth and authenticity. Skaneateles, often called the jewel of the Finger Lakes, is known for its crystal-clear waters and charming lakeside streets lined with historic buildings, cafes, and art galleries. Ithaca, home to Cornell University, buzzes with creativity, science, and youthful energy, while Geneva and Canandaigua blend history with innovation, where farmers' markets and small breweries showcase the flavors of the region. Culturally, this land has deep roots. Long before modern settlements, it was home to the Haudenosaunee, or Iroquois Confederacy, one of the oldest democratic systems in the world. To the Haudenosaunee, the lakes were sacred, believed to be the fingerprints of the Great Spirit pressed into the earth to remind humanity of gratitude and balance. Even today, this wisdom lives on in local traditions that emphasize respect for nature and community. For travelers, the Finger Lakes offer endless adventure. You can hike the Finger Lakes Trail, stretching nearly 1,000 miles through forests and gorges. You can kayak across tranquil waters, camp beneath starlit skies, or explore hidden waterfalls tucked deep in the woods. Adventure seekers might chase the sound of plunging water at Taughannock Falls, one of the highest waterfalls east of the Rockies, where the cascade drops dramatically through a sandstone canyon. Others might take to the air in a hot air balloon or paddleboard across the calm morning waters as mist rises like breath from the earth. In every direction, the region invites exploration. The soil is fertile and generous, producing not only grapes but apples, berries, and vegetables that inspire the area's growing farm-to-table movement. Restaurants here celebrate local ingredients and seasonal menus: trout fresh from the lakes, artisanal cheeses, hand-pressed ciders, and homemade breads. To eat in the Finger Lakes is to experience its landscape through flavor, where each dish connects you to the farmers, fishermen, and foragers who make this region thrive. But what truly defines the Finger Lakes is not just the scenery or the food, it's the feeling of connection. Standing at the edge of a quiet dock at dawn, you feel time slow down. The soft sound of water lapping against the shore, the smell of pine in the air, the first call of a loon across the lake. It's as if nature is whispering a reminder of what really matters. Here, people rediscover the joy of simplicity, the peace of being present, and the wonder of the natural world. As the day ends, the sun sets low behind the hills, painting the sky in layers of pink, orange, and violet. Lights from cottages flicker along the shore, and the air grows still. The same glaciers that carved these valleys left behind something greater than beauty. They left harmony, a perfect meeting of water, land, and life. The Finger Lakes are not only a geological story, but a story of people and place, of those who have learned to live in rhythm with the seasons and care for the gifts of nature. It's a destination where science meets wonder, where exploration meets reflection, and where every traveler finds a piece of peace. So, whether you come to hike through ancient gorges, taste fine wine, paddle across serene waters, or simply watch the stars over a sleeping lake, you'll leave with more than photos. You'll carry the quiet wisdom of this land within you. The Finger Lakes remind us that some of the world's greatest wonders aren't distant or unreachable. They are here, flowing quietly between green hills, waiting for us to pause, to listen, and to see. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of New York's hidden natural treasures. If this exploration inspired you, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Science Meets Adventure, where curiosity meets discovery, and every journey brings you closer to the heart of nature's secrets. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep your sense of wonder alive.